In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can generate a download link for a shortcut. This can be a useful way to share a copy of your shortcut with others, or simply just have a quick install link for yourself for an emergency restore scenario. You need to have an internet connection to do this, as the shortcut is uploaded to Apple servers and a link is generated and sent back to you so that you can share it. This means that you also might want to consider what you are sharing, as anyone with that link to the shortcut can get the shortcut's details as well. Here I have a shortcut that gives me a verbal indication of how long it will take to drive to my local railway station from my current location and what time I would get there. But not everyone's local railway station is the same as mine. In fact, some people might want to use this shortcut for other locations. To facilitate that, I can add some extra details to the shortcut. First, I want to switch from the action library to the shortcut details. Next, I select Setup. This is where I can create questions users who download a copy of the shortcut will be prompted for. These will replace my personal information in the available shortcut. Select the plus to add an import question. From the list, I can then choose the first text box, which is the name of the destination. I now get a box to fill out details for. Here I can define what the question should be. And I can set a default answer too. I can repeat this for the address too. Now my shortcut is prepared, I can select the share option and select copy iCloud link. I get a pop-up to remind me that the content of the shortcut will be available to anyone with the link. I can select share to continue. After a few moments, the shortcut is uploaded and a URL placed on my clipboard. If I paste the link and open it, we get a page where we can trigger a download of the shortcut. Now, if I select the ellipsis for the shortcut, we can view it in place. Notice that the default text is included for the destination name, and because I left the address blank, no text is provided. If I mark the viewing as done and start the installation, we can see how the questions will look. Sharing shortcuts via a URL is a very important mechanism for sharing shortcuts. It allows people to quickly reuse someone else's shortcut. It is also great if you need to help others with a shortcut. Shortcuts often hide complexity and issues when you take a screenshot. Details are hidden away unless you can drill down and look at things like additional settings, magic variables, things like that. Sharing shortcuts via a URL is typically your best option. The process is the same on Apple's mobile devices and just as easy. Add any setup questions you require and copy the shortcuts link via the share sheet. Until next time.